20 facts? 10 minutes. And at least one of these will completely change how you see the world. Some of the facts you're about to hear sound impossible, yet every one of them is real. Think you know everything? Let's test that. The ocean produces most of Earth's oxygen. Did you know most of the oxygen you breathe doesn't come from forests? Tiny ocean organisms called phytoplankton perform photosynthesis on a massive scale, producing over half of the planet's oxygen. Every second breath you take comes from the sea. Your skeleton replaces itself every 10 years. Your bones may feel permanent, but they're constantly renewing. Through a process called remodeling, your body replaces most of your skeleton roughly every decade. You are literally living inside a structure that rebuilds itself. Ants don't sleep like humans. Ants never go to bed for long hours. Instead, they take hundreds of micro-naps, each lasting only seconds. Together, these tiny rests provide the sleep they need. Even the busiest creatures still rest. Saturn could float in water. If you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would float. Its overall density is lower than water, meaning it's less dense than the oceans on Earth. A planet light enough to float. Lightning is hotter than the sun. A lightning bolt lasts only a fraction of a second. But during that instant, it can reach temperatures 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. For a brief flash, Earth becomes hotter than a star. Certain turtle species survive winter underwater by absorbing oxygen through specialized tissues near their tails. Nature sometimes solves survival in unexpected ways. Did you know? The average human walks the distance of Earth's circumference. Across an average lifetime, humans walk roughly 75,000 miles, about the same as walking around the Earth 3 times. Every step quietly adds up to a planetary journey. Plants can hear caterpillars eating. Research shows some plants detect the vibrations of insects chewing their leaves and respond by producing chemical defenses. Even without ears, plants can sense danger. Your body has enough iron to make a nail. The iron inside your blood is enough to create a small metal nail. Inside every person is the raw material of construction. A day on Mercury lasts 2 Mercury years. One full rotation on Mercury takes so long that a single day there lasts longer than 2 entire Mercury years. Time doesn't behave the same everywhere in space. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. Under special pressure conditions called the triple point, water can simultaneously exist as solid, liquid, and gas. One substance, 3 states at once. Trees communicate underground. Through networks of fungi in the soil, trees exchange nutrients and chemical signals, sometimes even helping weaker trees survive. Forests are not just groups of trees, they are connected communities. Your brain uses 20% of your body's energy. Although it makes up only about 2% of your body weight, your brain consumes around 20% of your total energy. Thinking is one of the most energy-demanding activities you do. There are rivers under the ocean surface. Flowing channels of dense, salty water create underwater rivers with their own currents and paths. Even oceans have hidden rivers inside them. Penguins propose with pebbles. In some penguin species, males present carefully selected pebbles to females during courtship to help build nests. Sometimes love begins with a stone. Glass is technically a slow-moving liquid. On extremely long timescales, glass behaves more like a very slow-flowing liquid than a solid. Windows appear solid, but physics tells a longer story. Earth's rotation is slowly slowing down. Due to tidal interactions with the Moon, Earth's rotation is gradually slowing, making days very slightly longer over millions of years. Time itself is stretching. Some frogs freeze to survive winter. Certain frogs allow their bodies to freeze during winter, their hearts stopping temporarily, then thaw and return to life in spring. Nature sometimes pauses life and presses play again. There are more possible chess games than atoms in the observable universe. The number of possible chess game combinations is astronomically larger than the number of atoms scientists estimate in the observable universe. A small board, infinite possibilities. Your skin replaces itself every month. Every few weeks, your body sheds and replaces most of its outer skin layer. Without noticing, you are constantly becoming new. If even one of these facts surprised you, hit the like button.
share it with someone who loves learning, and subscribe for more incredible facts every week. Till then, bye-bye.